Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture, and I'll be using home screen as an example for this. So in my case, it's already open and visible on the screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is, well, visible on your screen right now. Once it is, all you need to do is hold your power button and the volume down at the same time. You have a flash along with the pop-up, and here we have share option and edit option. After a moment this will disappear. There we go. Once it does so, you can find your screenshot in the Photos application. Now before I open it up, I'm just gonna close all of this up. So when you open up your Photos app, by default you will be located in the Photos tab. So from here you want to navigate to Collections and then select Screenshots. And here you can see there's a screenshot that I have just captured a moment ago. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.